CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 6th of June 2025. US President Trump has signed a new executive order confirming that a complete travel ban has been imposed on people from Afghanistan, Chad, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Libya, Myanmar, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen. People from these countries were also found to be involved in the investigation into the attack on the Israeli rally in Colorado. The killing of a Christian in Nigeria could not be stopped. 70-year-old pastor Memang Lekal was kidnapped and then killed by Fulani herdsmen. The extremists are demanding that they leave the area and flee. The people of the area say that they cannot go anywhere else, they have been here by birth. We add news from India that Pastor Ganesh says that the authorities have closed his church for security reasons, whenever he goes to get permission. He is told that the entire area is under threat from extremists. The fact is that the authorities are in cahoots with the extremists. We take you to Bangladesh. Pastor Qazi Samir Aydin was killed by Islamic attackers. He was accused of helping poor Muslims, providing them with necessities and spreading Christianity. Pastor Ten Dan says that in Bhutan, anyone who does not belong to Buddhism is a traitor to the country. Christians are also not allowed to live there freely, when it was revealed that Ten Dan was spreading Christianity. An attempt was made to kill him, but he survived and is now serving time in prison. In Cuba, many people do not follow any religion. Christians are also very hated. Because many people have converted and followed Jesus, and Pastor Luis Borges was arrested for this reason and is now suffering in prison. Pastor Ayeza Yah explains that the flood in Myanmar has caused a lot of damage, war, earthquake, tense conditions, and now the new disaster is the flood. All resources are gradually running out. All the people of the church are praying for better conditions. Greg Wynne Tobel visited Dirk Jungle Prison in Robben Island, Africa. The prisoners there are very hopeless. Often hear about suicides in prison. Now every prisoner is being given a Bible, and they are finding satisfaction from it. The war in Russia has caused devastating conditions. Eric Mock says that the families of those who died in the war have no support. Children are deprived of basic necessities such as food, medicine, education, and housing. Christian organizations that want to work for them are also subject to restrictions. Zah looks at the plight of Christians in Mali. Yahya says that he was traveling and was stopped on the way. When they were searched, he had a Bible. When people saw that he had a Christian book, they started beating him. Now he is in the hospital, but there is a fear that the hospital will also be attacked. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.